Who is your favorite character from mythology?
I will say two.
Two. Okay.
One is Karna.
Great.
Yeah.
Great
He's the-
character,
He's like the
man.
anti-hero that you relate to so much.
He is the Greek hero in Indian mythology.
Yeah. One is Karna and one is Arjuna for sure. Arjuna for purely his excellence and everything.
I'm not a huge fan of Arjuna, honestly.
I'm a huge fan of Arjuna. I mean, like, I don't have any analysis around Arjuna, but just the fact that he's like
The
the
skill level.
protagonist
He was like
of
the Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah.
he's like the protagonist of the
whole.
character, and he's like the bhakta of Krishna, and he's
Correct.
he through him is what Mahabharata happens. That's why
Correct.
I really like Arjuna as like a person who's representing dharma and doing everything he needs to do to protect the whole clan and kingdom and establish the whole situation and all the anyayam which happens between Kauravas and Pandavas.
Correct.
Karna, on the other side, is like the eligible, able heir to the throne.
Better fighter?
Correct.
But and he's obviously trained by
Parashurama.
Parashuram.
Yeah. And
But-
he's a perfect competent to Arjuna also.
Yeah, he is
Yeah.
see, for this is my take.
Okay.
Of course.
Like, because I've been like
Nabaz
doing
Mahabharata.
seeing this from like watching and in different versions. My take is like, see, it's always portrayed that is like everybody is equal to this, equal to each other, but everybody's abilities are completely different, and everybody's situations are something which is making them do what they're doing, and they've all been trained by such great people, and they have obviously genes of like gods and like Arjuna is
The son of Indra.
Indra, and
He's the son of Surya.
Karna is the son
Karna
of
is son
Surya.
of Surya, and
Bhima is the son of Vayu.
Wind.
yeah.
Hey, Indra is Yudhishthira, no?
No.
Indra
Yudhishthira
is
is
Yama.
Yama. Oh.
Yeah.
Ashwini Devata is Nakula and
Nakula and
Sahadeva.
Sahadeva. Hey, I'm
Bhima is
impressed.
yeah. No, I know a lot. Just that, like, yeah. So I feel that it's all the consumption of why I am not being able to do. Why am I not given that kind of a space? Is what was consuming Karna, which is right.
Yeah.
Which is amazing.
He is the first of the Pandavas,
Yeah,
technically.
technically, huh?
And you know what the
What a
best
life.
thing I love about Karna is that when Kunti comes,
Kunti is the mother, yeah.
mother, and says that like towards when Kurukshetra is happening, she comes and says like, "You're my first son. You have to come and support us."
And Rajnikant is there in the movie.
Oh, is it?
As in, that is the, like, Dalapati is kind of the Karna story, right?
Dalapati,
Oh.
Dalapati, correct.
Not in Kalki, na? You're talking about.
No, not in Kalki.
Ah, no.
No, wait, is it Dalapati or am I confusing?
No,
the movie?
Dalapati,
Dalapati, right? Yeah.
So, like even Rajniti is like
Is
based
the
on
Mahabharata story, yes.
story. Because
Karna's
that's what
story
happens.
especially.
That's
Yeah,
what.
yeah.
Yeah, the Karna is played by Ajay Devgan na, in that. You remember
Yes,
that's
yes,
almost
yes,
that.
yes,
He's the
yes,
elder
yes.
son.
He's the
Yeah,
oldest
yeah.
son. It
Yeah.
almost happens, and he gets
Correct.
like he saves Duryodhan, which
Yeah.
is who's played by Manoj Bajpayee.
Correct.
That is one of my favorite movies, Rajniti.
Correct.
It's one of my favorite films. I really like that.
Yeah.
So I feel like the space when she comes and says that, like, you're my firstborn, you have to come and fight for us. He's
Yeah.
like, but I've lived my life
Exactly.
somewhere else, somewhere else, but my
Yeah.
loyalty
Is
lays
to-
Is to
towards
my brother, Duryodhana.
who actually took me in and
Yeah.
gave me all the
Gave me
maryada,
dignity.
what I deserve. Like, yeah, I really
It's
like
a
that.
great story, man.
Yeah,
Karna's
that's-
story is just so beautiful.
Fabulous.
Yeah.